Hi all, and welcome back to my channel. I hope so. You people are all fine and in great state of your mind during the second phase of lockdown. It has been a long time, in fact. काफ़ी लंबा गैप हो गया था बीच में. Probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks that I have interacted with you people, isn't it? The reason as to why I wasn't able to interact with you people in between was the a series, in fact, not the a series of webinars which I have been attending. पढ़ाना भी ज़रूरी है, पढ़ना भी ज़रूरी है, अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना भी ज़रूरी है, isn't it? So I became a student for a while, and in fact it continues. Okay, so today I decided once again कि मैं आप लोगों से जो अधूरी बातें थीं उनको आगे लेके जाऊं. Okay, so पिछली बार जब मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रहा था, आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू यू पीपल अबाउट टीचर्स एंड आई वॉज टेलिंग यू पीपल कि एक टीचर एक्टर क्यों है या फिर कैसे बनता है. ओके, सी व्हेन वी आर इफ आई हैव टू recap or probably add a few points to that, वो कुछ ऐसा है कि टीचर को मैं एक्टर इसीलिए मानता हूँ क्योंकि 45 मिनट के समय में वो स्टूडेंट के सामने चीज़ों को इस तरीके से पेश करने की क्षमता रखते हैं जिससे बच्चे या तो फिर उस कॉन्सेप्ट को अच्छे तरीके से याद रखें या तो फिर कुछ भी याद न रखें इंक्लूडिंग द टीचर. सो हाउ टू डू दैट इज समथिंग विच इज़ एन आर्ट. 45 मिनट्स में किस प्रकार से किस तरीके से वो स्टूडेंट्स को अपने वश में करें या अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करें, वो उन्हीं के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ओके, नाउ किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं? देयर आर सो मेनी वेज इन फैक्ट. ओके, एंड फ्यू ऑफ देम आर through skits, through plays, through dramas, or probably through role plays, in fact, to be very much precise. So these are a few ways in which you can ensure कि classroom में हर एक बच्चा पार्टिसिपेट भी करे और कॉन्सेप्ट को अच्छी तरीके से समझ भी जाए. ओके, दिस इज one way. The second way, third way, fourth way, there are so many ways. Okay, so it depends upon the teacher कि वो किस तरीके से क्या इंक्लूड करना चाहते हैं ताकि बच्चे उस सब्जेक्ट की तरफ खींचे चले आए. ओके, सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. एंड उससे पहले वाले वीडियो में जब मैं इस कॉन्सेप्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा था आपके सामने, सो आई टोल्ड यू पीपल दैट अ टीचर इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स or professions. One is S, one is A, one is D. And the A part is something which I already talked to you people about. A means actor. ठीक है ना? So, अब जो मैं आप लोगों से बात करने वाला हूँ, that is the third part, D. D means what? I'm not talking about the D company, जो मूवी आई थी दोबत के बारे में या फिर समथिंग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. What I'm talking to you people about is something which is much more noble, which is next to God. What is that? The profession which I'm talking to you people right now is something which is next to God. Yes, you got it right. Probability is that maximum number of people will give the right answer, and that is a doctor. Okay, जो नब्स पकड़ के आपको बता देगा कि आपको कौन सी बीमारी है. पेट को थोड़ा सा टच करके बता देते हैं कि आज आपने 15 गोलगप्पे खाए, 50 गोलगप्पे खाए, इसीलिए दर्द हो रहा है. या फिर यूँ टच करके बता देंगे कि आपने आइसक्रीम खा लिया इसीलिए आपको टॉन्सिल्स के इश्यूज आ गया. Okay, so that is how they are trained, and they can easily tell you with indications what exactly is and what is not. Okay, ऐसा तो कभी हुआ नहीं है ना कि लाइक आप डॉक्टर के पास गए और आपने प्रॉब्लम बताने से पहले आपको उन्होंने मेडिसिन लिख के दे दिया. Isn't has anything happened as such? नो, और जो ऐसा करता है वो शायद डॉक्टर है नहीं। वाई? बिकॉज कैसे पता चलेगा? आप गए उसके पास में, है ना, आपने उसको बोला कि आपको तो पेट दर्द है, ओके, एंड उसने क्या किया? आपकी किडनी निकाल दी। ऐसे वो लोग करते हैं जो प्रोफेशनली डॉक्टर्स नहीं होते। ओके, सो व्हाट डज अ डॉक्टर डू फर्स्ट? जब आप जाते हो तो सबसे पहले डॉक्टर क्या करता है? आपसे बात करते हैं। ओके, देर आर फ्यू पीपल हु आर हाईली प्रोफेशनल एंड वो आपको देखते ही पहले समझ जाते हैं कि आपकी दुविधा क्या है, एस्टिमेट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि इसकी ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, एंड देन they will start asking you questions. How will they ask? They will not probably command you, यहाँ बैठो, बताओ. They will ask you in a very gentle manner. हाँ बेटा इधर आओ, अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा है तो. Okay, that is how they will say. यहाँ आओ, यहाँ बैठो, हाथ दिखाओ अपना. They will just hold and they will start feeling the pulse, and along with that they will start talking. हाँ बताओ बेटा, क्या हुआ, क्या किया आपने, यहाँ पे कैसे आ गए? Lot of things to engage the child, isn't it? The same thing probability is that the doctor may engage a patient in a discussion to divert him or her for some time at the start, and also to get some information from the patient, prospective patient, in fact. I know it might sound a bit crazy, but then, of course, when a person goes to a doctor, he's a prospective patient, okay, who needs a cure. ऐसे ही तो कोई जाएगा नहीं ना, राइट? आनंद मूवी में अगर आपने देखा होगा तो डॉक्टर के पास में, दैट इज बाबू मोशाय, अमिताभ बच्चन के पास में एक पेशेंट आते हैं. ही इज़ नॉट अ पेशेंट एट ऑल. बोलता है कि सर मेरे को कोई दवाई चाहिए. अब किस चीज़ के लिए चाहिए? डॉक्टर सेज कि आपको तो कोई बीमारी ही नहीं है, बट स्टिल देन ही सेज नो, आई नीड अ मेडिसिन. ओके, आई नीड अ मेडिसिन बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फीलिंग एनी थिंग एज इट इज़. कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं, फिर भी मुझे मेडिसिन चाहिए. सो देर आर सम साइकोलॉजिकल इशूज. ओके, but a doctor will not give you a medicine like that. He will first try to understand what the issue is. If there is no issue, the doctor, a genuine doctor will say, आप ठीक हो, बस एक्सरसाइज करो, काफ़ी है. Okay, so why am I talking about this movie Anand, or probably the doctor, or why am I talking to you people about all these points? कि like डॉक्टर पहले आपसे पूछते हैं, आपसे बात करते हैं, बात करते करते आपके प्रॉब्लम को सुनते सुनते वो एनालाइज कर लेते हैं एट द बैक ऑफ द माइंड कि ओके, ठीक है, पेट दर्द हो रहा है और उल्टियाँ भी आ रही हैं, तो फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी इज़ दैट कि शायद ये चीज़ हो सकता है. दे विल नॉट से इन अ कन्फर्म मैनर दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम. दे विल हैव अ डायग्नोस्टिक व्यू ऑफ इट. दे विल ट्राई टू गेट अ क्लियर पिक्चर ऑफ इट आफ्टर कंडक्टिंग टेस्ट्स. आप सपोज गए डॉक्टर के पास, बोले कि नहीं सर, दुख रहा है थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, ओके, भारी भारी सा लग रहा है, एंड देन छाती दुख रहा है. ही विल नॉट से डायरेक्टली टू यू पीपल कि नहीं, आपको हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम है, आपकी नसें दब चुकी हैं और आप मरने वाले हो बहुत जल्दी, तो इसीलिए बचने के लिए ऑपरेशन करो. अब ये बातें सुन के ही कोई ना कोई वहीं पे दम ख़त्म, है ना. सो व्हाट दे विल डू, दे विल जेंटली टेल यू वन थिंग, सर पहले आप एक बार ECG करवा लो, okay, electrocardiogram graph, right? So which will show you all those particular lines and everything, and on the basis of those crazy lines which we feel, he or she, the doctor, will understand कि कहाँ पे बीट्स में कमी है एंड क्या करना चाहिए एंड व्हाट ऑल, राइट. देन दे विल टेल यू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. दैट इज़ हाउ दे विल प्रोसीड. सो बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया डॉक्टरी के बारे में, हालांकि मैं हूँ ही नहीं उस लाइन से. At the end, what will the doctor do? They will prescribe something कि आप ऐसे करोगे तो इस चीज़ से बच पाओगे, या फिर ऐसे करोगे तो फिर आपको इस चीज़ से राहत मिलेगी, ऐसे करोगे तो फिर ये completely ठीक हो जाएगा. Isn't it? That is what a doc says. Now, don't you think कि एक टीचर भी कुछ ऐसे ही करते हैं. Think of it. We are in a classroom, 40 students are there, let us assume. And we know it very clearly that all the 40 out there are not the same. Okay, they might be from a different family background, they might be from different geographical regions, they might be having parents who have a different problem, they might have come from families where the parents are highly intellectual. Okay, so ultimately there is a mixture. And why am I talking of the parents is because ultimately whatever the parents are, the same will be the child, or probably that will have a reflection in the child. Okay, that is how genetically the things work out. Other than genetics, what gets reflected is the socio-cultural norms. Okay, सोसाइटी में कैसे है, कल्चर क्या है. ओके, तो उसी हिसाब से उस चाइल्ड के थिंकिंग के ऊपर भी असर पड़ता है. ओके, सो in a few families which might be from you know rural hinterlands, there might be an issue. Suppose it's not to ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मैं किसी स्पेसिफिक फैमिली को कह रहा हूँ, बट देन ज़्यादातर पाया जाता है कि बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं पढ़ने के लिए, बट पेरेंट्स में से फादर हार्ड वर्किंग तो है, ड्राइविंग वगैरह करते हैं, शाम को आते ही एकदम से ओके, एंड डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चों की आंखों के सामने दिखती हैं. एंड क्या असर होता है, ये होता है कि बच्चा डिस्टर्ब्ड. द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन ही और शी कम्स टू स्कूल, ही और शी इज नॉट एबल टू फोकस, और प्रोबेबिलिटी इज दैट फॉर अ फ्यू डेज द चाइल्ड वोंट कम टू स्कूल. हाउ डज इट मैटर टू अ टीचर? It does, because you and I are not simply teaching. You and I are shaping the future and the career of a child, and probably trying to transmit a good thing to wipe away a bad idea in him or her. Okay, so what are we transmitting? Suppose we are talking about the moral values in the school. Moral values में हम ये कह रहे हैं कि one should not fight. Okay, one should live in peace and love each other. Okay, but then घर पे वो देख रहा है कि भाई ये चीज़ें तो हो नहीं रही. So whatever we are teaching might have a positive impact on him or her in some way or the other. अब बच्चा अगर बड़ा है तो फिर there is a chance and a scope that he or she might intervene in between his or her parents and try to counsel them. That is what education does. Okay, it has the power, and it might probably sort out the issues to a greater extent, है ना? So that is how the things will change. That is what we are doing right now. Okay, as teachers, this is what our role is. It's not simply to complete the syllabus and finish it off कि भाई हो गया, अब वो घर पे क्या सिचुएशन है उसका मेरे को क्या लेने देना. This is not the way, isn't it? Second thing which we are doing is we as an educator have a responsibility to understand what is the reason actually because of which a child is not able to focus in the class. Just because हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, वो सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहा, वो निकम्मा है, वो नलायक है, वो गधा है, वो बेवकूफ़ है, हम जो ठप्पे लगा देते हैं ना, तो फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं पे ऑलरेडी जो चोट वो खा रखा हुआ है घर से, उस पर एक और चोट है ये. So this is something which we are not supposed to do. That is what I was saying. Means like, when you go to a doctor, the doctor will not immediately say that you are a heart patient, or probably you are suffering from cancer, or probably you are suffering from XYZ problems. They won't say. Why? Because they know more than the disease, The declaration itself will kill the patient. The same way as your words will play a positive or a negative role in killing the curiosity or probably the career of the child or probably the future of the child even before it starts. The moment you and I say to the child कि नहीं, आप में ये एबिलिटी नहीं है, आप निकम्मे हो, आप नलायक हो, आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते, आप वेस्ट हो, आप फलाना हो, आप डिगना हो, it's over. The child will not tell you from outside, but then from internally the child will be a dead child. चलता फिरता zombie बन जाएगा वो. So as a teacher, what are you supposed to do is, first of all, when you observe that a child is not giving answers to certain questions, कई बार आपने क्लास में पूछ लिया लेकिन वो जवाब नहीं दे रहा, so let it be. 5-6 बच्चों ने जवाब दे दिया and he is not able to give the answer. So what could be the reason? Talk to him first. Get connected to him or her first. And then try to find out the reasons. आप बच्चे से पूछ लोगे ना कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आप क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो, नहीं बताएगा. Reason? Who are you? You are simply a teacher. Why should he confide in you the problem which he or she is facing? क्या कर लोगे आप? कुछ नहीं करोगे ना. That is what his thinking will be. So first thing is strengthen the bond. And that bonding will be strengthened during the break time, during departure, during free periods, or at any point of time whenever you are free and the child is free. So basically, as I recommend to my teachers in the school, is this: लंच टाइम में बच्चों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करो, ना कि अपने स्टाफ रूम में. Okay, so the reason is that when you are spending those 15-20 minutes in the classroom along with the children, there will be a possibility, and I am 100% sure about it, that a few children will turn up and speak to you their problems which otherwise they will not speak. So as a doctor, as a teacher, the first thing that you are supposed to do is get yourself connected with the patient or probably the student first. So once you are connected with the student or the patient first, what will happen? The next step will be the patient or the child himself will start confiding in you his or her problems. Are we getting it? Because they need somebody who can be friendly enough to listen to them. Listening is the first thing which a doctor does. So the same thing applies to the teacher as well. You need to listen to what the problems are. जब तक आप उसके सुनोगे नहीं और उसको बोलते ही रहोगे तो वो आपको कभी सुनाएगा नहीं. तो पहले सुनो. Okay, I'm repeating it. As a teacher, your duty is not enough to come into the class or walk into the class with a load of books and a pile of papers, speak out whatever you are having in your mind or probably whatever you have put into your mind, and then spill it out and finish it off, and praise a few students who are really very good and then scold a few students who are defaulters. That's not enough. And then you will go into the principal's office and then tell them that कि सर इन बच्चों से तो नहीं होगा, या मैडम इन बच्चों से कुछ नहीं होगा, ये ऐसे ही है. If the question is, अगर वो वैसे ही है तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी क्या है? क्योंकि आप एक डॉक्टर से कम नहीं हो. जब आपने बीएड में या एमएड में साइकोलॉजी पढ़ी है तो फिर उस साइकोलॉजी का क्या फ़ायदा या फिर यूज़ है? Is it only that you and I are studying psychology to ensure that we score good marks and then get a certificate? नहीं है ना. So फिर use that. Until and unless we apply what we have learned or probably apply something which we have gained on the basis of the experience in this particular line, the effort which we are putting in is futile, useless hai. So as a doctor, first thing is try to understand the problem of the child. The moment you do this, you will be able to give a solution to him or her. A child is not able to write fast. आप बोलोगे उसको हमेशा स्लो लिखता रहता है, ये इसको नहीं लिखना आता, ये ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा, मजाक बना दिया. Have you ever tried to understand why he or she is writing slow? There might be a problem that he or she is not able to see properly. It might be a problem that there is a problem in his wrist, or probably uh, there might be an issue with the motor skills. So जब तक आप इन चीज़ों को जानोगे नहीं तब तक के लिए आप सॉल्यूशन क्या दोगे? सिंपली आप बता दोगे कि नहीं, ये यहाँ पढ़ने के लायक नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? बच्चे हर जगह पढ़ने के लिए लायक हैं और उनको और लायक बनाते हैं टीचर्स. अगर वो नालायक है तो खलनायक आप और मैं भी हैं. Are we getting it? अगर वो नालायक है तो खलनायक आप और हम भी हैं. क्यों? Because a teacher is nothing less than a villain or a demon for a child. So we are, definitely. And why do we become a demon or a child? A demon for a child, the reason is very simple. Because he never trusts us. Because if you look at other way around, we have never given him or her a chance to trust us. हमने उनके साथ उतना डिस्कस ही नहीं किया दिल खोल के कि वो हम पे भरोसा कर सके, तो फिर वो क्यों करेगा? Isn't it? So what I'm repeating it, if you have to ensure that you end up as the best teacher, try to understand what the problem of the child is before giving out or prescribing the problems, or describing the problems and prescribing the medicine. Don't do it ever. Understand the issue very clearly first. It might take you a day, it might take you a month, it might take you a few months, or it might take you a few minutes also. Do that first. Talk to the child in a very gentle manner, as if he or she is your child or probably your brother and sister. Once you do that, once a child gets connected to you, then they will open up and tell you what the problems are. And most important thing, a doctor will never disclose his patient's problems to other doctors until and unless there is a need to discuss with some other doctor. These are ethics, work ethics. The same way, you are also not supposed to discuss the problems which that child discussed with you with other teachers. क्या ज़रूरत है? कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. You can discuss with the principal if it is necessary, but not with all the other teachers. मजाक बन जाएगा वहाँ पे. Okay, so they might start exploiting the child, or probably when they don't understand the intensity of the problem, they will never be able to give a proper solution or a guidance to you. Okay, so keep that problem to you only and start thinking about what all solutions you can provide to that particular child. For example, फाइनेंशियली घर पे प्रॉब्लम है, आप अगर मदद कर सकते हो तो मदद करो and help the child to overcome this particular problem, or that mental block which has got created because of this particular problem at home. For example, he or she wants to spend time or devote time towards studies, but then घर पे वो मौका नहीं मिल रहा because environment at home is not so good. So tell them that you can either come to my house or stay in the school for at least 1 to 2 hours more. I'll stay back with you and then let us study. I'll help you out. Solutions. These are what I'm telling you. First understand the problem, then only you can give the solution. अगर आप ये कहोगे कि आपके घर में पापा अगर नहीं कर रहे तो फिर मैं क्या करूं, तो फिर वो क्यों बताएगा आपको? Isn't it? So, as I say, discuss, let them discuss the problem with you only after you get connected to them, and then you prescribe a solution which will not offend that particular child and which will raise the level of confidence in that particular child, that yes, वो नहीं तो ये है मेरे साथ में, and I can disclose and probably focus on my studies. Okay, so this is the way in which you can at least work as a doctor after or along with the role of an actor. Okay, do let me know how you found this particular piece of video, and yes, it is already a time for me to give away a few goodies to you people, because it's been an year of my association with you guys. So there's a probability that you will receive a few good books which I have as a part of my collection, or a few uh, things, means like a few gifts which I can gift you the moment you subscribe to my channel, moment you prescribe my channel to others and ensure that they subscribe. Along with that, इंश्योर कीजिएगा कि आप जिनको बोल रहे हो सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए, आप भी और वो भी चैनल के वीडियोस को देखें, लाइक करें, उनमें कमेंट्स भी दें कि उनको वो वाला वीडियो क्यों पसंद आया. एंड वंस दिस लॉकडाउन एंड्स, I'll declare the giveaways. Okay. And yes, because the lockdown is there, I would suggest it कि पहले तो मैं रोहतक तक ही इसको सीमित करूं. I will suggest it to my own self. Okay, so this is how it is. Anyway, that is what is a small guzarish from my side. If you people can do it, I'd be very happy. If not, also I'm happy with you people. Okay, so keep watching my channel, subscribe to it, comment, add your views, in fact, and let us enjoy the time which we have got to rebuild our own self or build our own self. Okay, happy staying at home, stay safe. Thank you, see you soon, bye bye.